Most developers think you need to learn Python to build AI applications, but that's not true. Today I am going to show you how JavaScript developers can build powerful AI apps using only JavaScript. No machine learning knowledge, no Python, and by the end of this video, we will build a working AI application in under 10 minutes. Hello Code Hunters, I am Sharat Chandar and you are watching Code Hunter Sharat. If you are a developer who already knows JavaScript, this might be the best time in history to start building AI powered applications. In this video, you will learn what AI developers actually do, the tools JavaScript developers should learn, and will build your first AI app from scratch. Let's get started. AI is transforming software faster than anything we have seen before. Companies are adding AI features to chatbots, customer support tools, content generators, recommendation engines, developer assistants. Platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini showed the world how powerful modern AI models have become. But here's the surprising part. Most developers think building AI requires deep machine learning knowledge. That's used to be true. But today things are very different. Instead of training AI models yourself, you can simply use AI APIs. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic provide powerful AI models that developers can access through simple APIs. That means you can build AI features using normal programming languages like JavaScript, Node.js, Python, or Java. For JavaScript developers, this is incredible because you can now build AI chatbots, AI content tools, AI SaaS products, AI automation systems without becoming a machine learning engineer. To start building AI applications with JavaScript, you only need a few tools. Node.js allows JavaScript to run on the server. This lets your application communicate with AI APIs. The most popular option is the Gemini API. Allows developers to send prompts to powerful AI models and receive response instantly. Frameworks like LangChain help developers build more advanced AI applications. For example, memory-enabled chatbots, AI agents, multi-step reasoning systems. But first, let's build a simple AI text generator using JavaScript. Step 1. Create a project with the folder name called AI text generator and open the command prompt from that particular location and type npm space init space -y and hit enter. It will create the package.json with name, version, description and main with scripts. In that main, it is automatically defined index.js. And now I will open my favorite code editor, Visual Studio Code, and then I will open the terminal and I will install npm install at google/generative-ai and .env. Hit enter. It will automatically install and then it will sit in the package.json and it will create the node modules folder. And in the package.json, as main says index.js, we need to create that file. For that, I am going to click here plus and I am creating the file and giving the name as index.js. Inside that, I am going to write the code with snippet of import Google Generative AI from at Google generative-ai and then next import with .env/config. It will automatically loads the .env file. For that, I am going to create one more file with .env where all environmental variables will sit, and then I am accessing your API key from the environmental variable const API key equal to process.env.gemini API key, and I am writing the if condition. If not of API key present, I need to give the console.error missing Gemini API key in .env file, and I'm stopping the process with the help of exit 1. The key is available, then I'm creating the const with gen AI variable equal to new generative AI with that API key. And I'm creating the function with ask Gemini with the help of async with try catch. Inside the try, I'm going to create one more module with the help of const with gen AI dot get generative model with the model of Gemini 2.5 flash. And I'm writing the console.log of thinking with robot, and then another const with result that should wait from the model dot generate content, and I'm sending the prompt from the function. Again, I'm writing one more const with response equal to await results dot response. Once we got the results, we'll return with response dot text. If anything goes wrong inside the catch, we will write console dot error with API error and then error dot message, and then we will return null from here. And I'm using the example const my prompt equal to explain JavaScript and how to use with AI. And I'm calling the function of ask Gemini with the help of passing the prompt my prompt and dot then. Once it's processed, we'll get the results response as answer. And I'm writing the if condition. If the answer is present, I'm writing the three consoles with console.log with the hyphens, and then second console with Gemini says, and then third consoles with hyphen end. In between these brackets, we can identify what the Gemini says. And I'm passing the answers what we are returning from an API. And I will save, and I will go and run into the terminal with the help of node index.js. And it entered. Now the Gemini is thinking. We'll wait for the response. Boom. Now we are getting Gemini says, let's break down JavaScript and explore how it integrates with artificial intelligence. This is what the response we get from the AI API. It's awesome, right? What is happening here? We are connecting to the Gemini API, sending a prompt to the AI model, receiving a generated response. And just like that, you are building your first AI powered application using JavaScript. Once you understand this concept, you can build powerful applications. For example, AI website chatbot, a chatbot trained on your website content. AI blog generator, automatically generate blog post with AI. Resume analyzer, upload a resume and get AI feedback. AI coding assistant, a developer tool powered by models like Claude or Gemini. These are the kind of products startups are building right now. If you want to master AI development as a JavaScript developer, here's a simple roadmap. Step 1, master JavaScript fundamentals. Step 2, learn backend development with Node.js. Step 3, start integrating AI APIs like the Gemini API. Step 4, learn advanced frameworks like LangChain. Step 5, build real AI projects. Projects are what actually make you an AI developer. AI is one of the biggest opportunities for developers today, and the best part is that JavaScript developers can start building AI applications right now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Code Hunter Sharath for more JavaScript and AI development tutorials. In the next video, we will build a full AI chatbot step by step using JavaScript.